Feeling overwhelmed by candidate outreach? Looking for a way to turn it up a notch? Meet ChatGPT, the game changer for awesome recruiters like you. No more cold calls with ChatGPT. Simply plug the candidate's profile into ChatGPT. Watch it craft a tailored, engaging message in seconds, all while highlighting personalization. Say goodbye to generic outreach. Customizing messages with ChatGPT is both personalized and effective, leading to higher response rates. Boost response rates and make every candidate feel special. Wait, did we mention no more cold calls? Ready to take your recruiting expertise to higher heights? There's more to explore. Join our exclusive bootcamp, ChatGPT Unplugged for Recruiters. Elevate your skills to the next level of success. Click the link below and become a recruiting superstar using ChatGPT, all for free. Enrolling in ChatGPT Unplugged will empower you with the skills to leverage ChatGPT. This will boost your outreach process, leading to higher success rates and skyrocket your earnings. Let's get started today.